Well, good morning. This is William from Williams, Philippines. It is about 10:15 p.m. on Wednesday night, September 26, 2024. Usually I have this thing out way before now. Anyway, you ever have a day where turned out to be completely unproductive, but it was a breeze through the day? I mean, yeah, I got to the doctor's office and got that took care of. And talked to him about the vaccines to, the shots to get over there. And he said he'd check to see if they had to be prescribed. So that was good, and I got that done, and they got the blood work and drawn and everything. They didn't call me back immediately screaming I need to go get drained, so that's a good thing, I guess. But I was in and out next to nothing. Went and tried to go get a bit of information from the hospital about a bill, and no lines whatsoever. And did get a little bit of information from the pharmacy as to a good place to get one of my shots at the hospital. They don't do it there, but they pointed me over to one of the pharmacies here in town that does have it available. Went over to the folks about a different shot for the rabies, and they have it, but oh my gosh, they want $700 for the 2 shots. And it seemed like everything just kind of run right along and fell into place. So I managed to get a whole bunch of information, but not really a lot of things done. Could have been worse. But it is what it is. And, oh, hang on, excuse me. It isn't Wednesday. It's Thursday the 26th. Yesterday I came in, I was tired and wore out, and I came in and sat down and was trying to massage my calf. And I leaned back, and the next thing I know, I woke up and it was the evening. Kind of like today. After getting everything done, I went to sleep and I woke up and it's evening. But that's okay. Apparently I needed to sleep. So, sorry, today is Thursday. But I did manage to get yesterday 8 wraps through the building, and a total of 6 around the building. There's a reason I was massaging my calf. Just because each wrap through the building, doing that little figure 8, gets me 4 flights of stairs up and 4 flights down, and you do that by 8 times, and now you're at 32 flights of stairs. I don't know about you, but that's a lot of stairs to go up in one day when you're not used to it at all. I'm glad I don't have that many stairs normally, but I'm trying to get this to be kind of regular. I don't think I'm going to do that many anymore. Stairs are good because they do get you some exercise extra. But that stuff hurts. Hey, like I say, my calf was all gimped. But it's getting to where it's not as bad, so I go and do stupid and push further, which is bad. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to try to get a few other things packed up tonight, and what doesn't get packed, I'm throwing things away. You ever go through some stuff and you find something you lost, and you didn't really realize you lost it, but you knew you were short on something? Yeah. I found my bottle of the omega-3 fatty fish oils stuff, the prescription for that. My doc wants me to, so I found it. I didn't really realize I'd missed it because I'd got another one and I ended up getting it and using it. But when my other bottle ran out, but I knew I had another bottle somewhere. I just didn't know where it was. Well, I found it. I was doing some packing, and that's a good thing. Or, well, I should say, getting stuff picked up and sorted out as to whether it was going to get packed. And so, yeah. But this stuff's good. It doesn't go bad, at least not in the time frame that I've had it. So, yay. And, yeah, trying to get things like that figured out. Find things, and that's my problem. I keep finding new things. They're not new things, but things that I knew I had, but just hadn't paid attention to them. And now I'm trying to get things out of here, and I'm going through and I'm finding, and I just went through another drawer that I'd already been through and realized it ain't worth keeping. So a whole nother drawer worth of stuff that's just going to go poof. It's going out in the trash bin. I've been collecting way too much stuff. And I've come to realize, kind of like what George Carlin, he says, our stuff, they're junk. Well, I'm coming to realize that our stuff is really junk too. So yeah, I'm having one of those. But I did get to talk to a lady today, and a very pleasant conversation. And she was from Laos. I asked her any particular places over there to check out. She gave me a couple. I marked them down, because I would like eventually to go check it out. But yeah, getting to, talk with folks is a good thing. I don't do it as much as I, should. I'm better at it than what I used to be, that's for sure. Again, part of this thing here is to get me more capable of talking with people, being more open, and becoming less standoffish. And part of that is, getting to be where I can talk to folks regular and not feel so confined and wanting to run away. Because I really don't, introverted. I don't really like talking to a lot of people, especially ones I don't know. But this is giving me more opportunities to do that. So, yeah, it's a bit of growth. I don't know about y'all, but growth is important. At least to me it is. Some folks never grow up, and I understand, it's their choice to not do it. I got family members, And hey, it's taken me this long to get here, so it is what it is. But I'll be trying to get this out here in a minute, and I'll get back with some other stuff probably later today after I've done a few things. I gotta eat something. I'm hungry. And yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Sorry about my confusions. Thanks for the 177 subscribers, up to in a couple days, so yay. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe and comment. I try to get back to all my comments. I think I pretty much have kept up with them. I don't think I'm behind. I don't know, I might be. I have to go and double check. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I'm fishing. Fish is out.